The Mooncup is the original silicone menstrual cup. It's a soft, medical-grade silicone cup that you can reuse every period. It works by collecting your period rather than absorbing it. It's simple to use. To put it in, you fold it like this, or like this, and then insert it. Position it as low as it will comfortably sit in the vagina, a lot lower than a tampon. It then opens up and forms a light seal which holds it in place. It's great for swimming, sport, and both light and heavy days. To remove it, it's important to pinch the base of the cup to release the seal. The Mooncup shouldn't be removed by just pulling on the stem alone. Holding the base, you then remove it, empty it, rinse it, and reinsert it. You'll need to remove it and empty it every 4 to 8 hours. Once it's in right, you shouldn't be able to feel it at all. The long bit at the bottom of the cup is the stem. It's only there to help you reach the base of the cup for removal. You can trim it to the length that's right for you. When you're out and about, you can just take a small bottle of water into the toilet with you to rinse it. You can give it a more thorough clean when you get home. The Mooncup holds 3 times more than a regular tampon, so you may find you don't need to empty it as often as you'd have to change tampons or pads. Like when using tampons, it's important to wash your hands before inserting or removing your Mooncup. During your period, you can just clean it with water or non-perfumed soap. If you use soap, make sure to rinse it well. Clean your Mooncup more thoroughly before the first use and between periods by placing it in an open pan of boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes or soaking it in diluted sterilising solution. The Mooncup comes in 2 sizes, size A and size B. Use size A if you are 30 or over or have given birth vaginally, whatever your age. Use size B if you are under 30 and have not given birth vaginally. And it's as simple as that. Like with anything new, using your Mooncup can take a little practice, but take your time, because once you get the hang of it, your Mooncup can last you for years and years, and you'll never want to go back to using pads or tampons again. If you have any questions or are unsure about anything at all, Mooncup have a brilliant advice service run by medical health professionals, or check out the FAQs on the website.